Have you ever felt like your credit score was a reflection of your life choices, but you weren't sure why? Imagine this. You're ready to take a big step in your life, buying a home, starting a business, or even getting a new job. You've been working hard, saving money, and building your credit history. But when you check your credit report, you find a bunch of inaccurate or outdated information that's dragging your score down. It's frustrating, isn't it? One of the major credit bureaus in Canada is Equifax. If you find errors on your Equifax credit report, it's important to dispute them promptly. Not only can this help improve your credit score, but it can also protect you from identity theft. Steps to dispute Equifax Canada. 1. Get a copy of your credit report. The first step is to obtain a copy of your Equifax credit report. You can request a free annual credit report from each of the major credit bureaus, including Equifax, once a year. To request your Equifax credit report, you can visit their website or call their customer service number. 2. Review your credit report carefully. Once you have your credit report, review it carefully for any errors or inaccuracies. This could include incorrect personal information, late payments that you didn't make, or accounts that aren't yours. Pay close attention to the date of the last activity on each account. If an account is closed, it should be marked as such. 3. Gather evidence. If you find any errors, gather evidence to support your claim. This might include canceled checks, receipts, or letters from creditors. The more evidence you can provide, the stronger your case will be. 4. Dispute the errors. Equifax provides several ways to dispute errors on your credit report. You can do so online through their website, by mail, or by phone. Be sure to include your contact information, the disputed information, and any supporting documentation. 5. Follow up. After submitting your dispute, Equifax has 30 days to investigate and respond. If the error is verified, it will be removed from your credit report. However, if the error is not corrected, you may need to take further action. 6. Consider credit repair services. If you're having trouble disputing errors on your own, you may want to consider hiring a credit repair service. These professionals can help you identify and dispute errors, and they can also provide you with advice on improving your credit score. 7. Monitor your credit report. Even after the errors are corrected, it's important to continue monitoring your credit report regularly. This will help you catch any new errors that may arise. Disputing errors on your Equifax credit report can be a time-consuming process, but it's worth the effort. By taking the necessary steps, you can improve your credit score and protect your financial future. Have you found errors on your Equifax credit report? Don't wait to dispute them. Start the process today and take control of your financial well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.